Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to stake your Shiba Inu on Shibaswap. So it's pretty simple actually. So you go to your shibaswap.com and right here it says that you can easily stake and unstake your tokens on Shibaswap by clicking on bury the SHIB or bone or leash in the overview page of your Shibaswap. So you will check your staking right here. You click any of these and then go to stake in the module and then basically you stake the amount you wish to. So if you want 25%, 50%, there's a predetermined choice in the top right corner that you can find right there. So there is 25, 50, 75, and 100. So the 100 if you want your whole tokens to be staked in your Shiba swap. So you press stake and then it's going to be confirming in your transaction in your wallet. Then there you go. It's just that simple. So that's how you stake your Shiba Inu on Shiba Swap. So of course you must have the token itself in the Shiba Swap and connect it to your wallet first before you can do so. So it's just that simple.